Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get a streak pet on TikTok. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the first thing what we need to do is go ahead and make sure TikTok is up to date. So go to your Player App Store and ensure your TikTok app is up to date to the latest version, as streak pet feature is a part of a recent update. The next thing what we need to do is start a streak. So begin regularly exchanging messages or videos with a friend through direct messages. A streak is established when you and a friend exchange messages for 3 consecutive days. Then from there, once a streak is active, tap the streak badge at the top of your chat, then tap the streak pet icon and send an invite to your friend. Upon acceptance, you'll both have access to that streak pet. Then from here, just simply maintain that streak. So continue daily interactions to keep the streak alive. If the streak ends, the streak pet will be removed and growth points will reset. Now, there is a helpful way to keep this streak active is to turn on notifications. So go to your profile, then click on the 3 horizontal bars, click on the settings and privacy, click on notifications. And now where it says push notifications, let me get back to the app. Go ahead and click on push notifications, make sure that is enabled. And also if we scroll down here under interactions, scroll down here and make sure streaks are turned on. So when turned off, you won't receive streak notification, but the streak feature will remain active. You'll want to go ahead and enable that so you'll get that notification to keep your streak active.